Hello stalkers, welcome back. Both the markets today also closed positive. Let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. If you have seen my yesterday's video, I had mentioned market has been printing green candles back to back and there are very good chances of upside momentum. Thankfully, market broke the resistance of 4,600 points. Today's closing is at 4,604 points. Also, we had analyzed that if at all market wants to come down, then these areas will act as support. Today, beautifully, market bounced up from the previous resistance that is now acting as a support at 4,555 points. Market has printed 4 green candles back to back. Looking at today's green candle, there are chances either market may want to go sideways or it may come down to revisit the support area again, that is 4,555. However, on a positive note, if at all sentiments are very bullish, then there are chances it may continue its upside momentum. In that scenario, if at all it hits any resistance, since it's been going up continuously, there are good chances we may see a dip to the downside to revisit the support areas, and then potentially it may establish its base to resume its uptrend. As of now, strong resistance is at 4,658 points. Overall sentiments in the markets are very bullish. As I have been mentioning, DFM market is looking more bullish, more stronger than ADX. Overall, it's trending higher and there are very good opportunities in the market. ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Check this out how beautifully market is reacting to our mark zone, that is resistance. If you're watching my analysis regularly and if you are also closely watching this zone, hit the like button to show your support. We have been analyzing, this is the resistance area. We can see long wicks at the top indicating resistance zone. Market recovered with this solid green candle. It broke the immediate resistance of 9,245. Yesterday's candle was a pause candle that I had mentioned in the video, and from here there are good chances of upside momentum. During the market hours today, it went up, it got rejected right into the resistance zone, that is 9,352. Closing is at 9,327 points. Still, I am positive there are chances it may try once again to break past this resistance. If at all that does not happen, then we have our support at 9,245 and then 9,160. I have been mentioning again and again, ADX market is still not stronger like DFM. We can see a strong drop to the downside. It's been about a month, still ADX market could not recover, or it did not cross 50% drop of this downside momentum. I would be only bullish when I see a solid candle close above 9,400 points to confirm that now market is in bullish territory. As of now, anything can happen. Even this resistance zone can act as a major hurdle and it can make a new low. So let's wait and see how the market unfolds tomorrow and during this week. This is the daily chart of Julfa. We will not be able to analyze on the daily chart. I'm going down to 30 minutes so that I can explain you in detail. Today in just 30 minutes it printed this solid green candle and it hit limit high for the day. Anytime I was planning for entry, it was just going higher and higher. It did not take my order or I did not get a fill. For example, if at all when I saw it broke the resistance, I tried to enter at 1.35. Immediately price jumped at 1.38. When I placed my order at 1.38, price jumped higher. It went up till about 1.43. Similarly, that was the case. Finally, near the day high or the limit up zone, it tried to stabilize, but then it was too late. The ship was already sailed. Looking at today's price action, there are very good chances that tomorrow if it opens with a gap up, then we can expect continuous rally to the upside. But now the problem is tomorrow if it opens with a big gap up, then those who entered at the bottom, they will be getting good amount of profits and they may start booking the profit. In that scenario, we will have to wait for the price to come down around today's closing, that is between 1.56 and 1.60. If at all we see buying pressure into this zone, then this should be considered as our entry point. Otherwise, other scenario can be if it opens flat, which I doubt it will, or with a small gap up. These two scenarios are ideal because we will get our good entry. We can take our entry and place our stop loss below the low of this candle at around 1.47, and if it makes again a limit up for the day, then we can expect a good run and good profit tomorrow itself. It would be very unlikely or a surprising factor if it opens with a gap down. Then obviously we will not take any positions. Mind you, resistance is between 1.65 to 1.68. This area is resistance. Once this is taken out, then strong resistance is at 1.74. If at all Julfer can again make a limit high, then we can expect a move till about right here 15% should be 1.80. This is still good move. Let's see if at all it can open in our area, that is somewhere around here, then we can get good entry. If it opens with a big gap up, then it would be very difficult to take position. Stop loss will be very bigger and it will not make sense to buy this stock at the top. Those who bought into today's candle, wishing you all the very best. Try and book your profits into resistance zone. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.